Today I want to show you exactly how to make a YouTube video that is easy, almost as easy as eating a piece of chocolate cake. For me, it's got to be gluten-free. Welcome back, fellow underdog entrepreneurs, to another video. If you checked out my last video, you know that I promised you that I would make a video on how I'm using ClickUp Brain, specifically when it pertains to content creation. And my content creation process always starts with a YouTube video, which you're watching right now. So what I want to show you today is how to use ClickUp Brain to efficiently process and get the ideas started for descriptions, for titles, all that fun stuff. So let's get clicky with it. I'm going to bust over into my ClickUp. We're going to get a little bit meta today because this is actually going to be a video about creating a video. So if you notice here, I'm actually in this video today, the ClickUp Brain, the lazy YouTuber's guide to awesome videos. So what I want to do is show you, again, we're going to get meta inside here. So I'm going to take a video that I've been thinking about doing for a while, and props to Tom Solid for this one, 10 essential tools to maximize productivity at work in 2024. So let's go ahead and take that, and then I'm going to show you how I make a YouTube video based upon a title. So I get the title first. I kind of, again, gather inspiration. I'll take the ClickUp plugin for Google Chrome, pop that right into the ideas board and ClickUp. And then I have a template. Big surprise, I have a template for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that template right now. I'm going to go ahead and click in the description, hit /template, turn off caps lock here. /template, and here is the template version that I'm using right now. It's version 2.1, and if you'll know that I create SOPs, I create version numbers, always start with version number 1 and go from there. So this for me is version 2.1, and just like that, there is my YouTube description. There's the timestamp. So this is all I need for my YouTube description, automatically done for me. So that is the format that the YouTube description is going to be displayed in. So I have a big call out here. Remember to rename the attached doc and use the same name as the video for the new doc. So what the heck does that mean? I'm going to do a quick refresh and we'll go to the bottom of the page and see if we can find the ClickUp doc that was also created with this template. So I'm going to scroll down here, and right here is our ClickUp doc. Everything that I do to create a YouTube video is in this ClickUp doc. You can do it however you want. This is just easiest for my lazy YouTube brain to handle. As you can see here, let me go ahead and make this full screen. I've got a workflow, a run of show, research and notes, scripts, film schedule, shot list. I'm not really using these last two, but I put them in there just the template because I may at some point go a little bit level up in my videos. So if you want the YouTube workflow, this is my typical workflow for production. Here's my checklist here for production. Here's my checklist for publishing, for promotion, and for remix, which is taking that content, making it evergreen. Run of show is basically the checklist. As I sit and record these videos, I'm looking at a checklist that looks just like this. It's the run of show, tells me exactly what steps I need to take in order to set up a video. So this is where the script and everything would live. So I usually start out everything in the research and notes section. So this is the video structure that I have for every single one of my videos. So let's do this. So remember, our video is 10. Let's get that. Let's go back in there. 10 essential tools to maximize productivity. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back into my ClickUp doc, and then we're going to use AI. So for me, at minimum, I try to generate 10 YouTube titles so that I can get an idea of what is the best title. Something, it just gets the juices flowing, because when I sit here and look at this to try to come up with 10 really good YouTube titles, I'm lazy. I want somebody to do it for me. Give me some inspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this, and we're going to go ahead and use ClickUp Brain to do this for us. So I'm going to go ahead and write with AI. And if you'll see, I've got quite a few down here. I've been doing this for a bit. So I'm going to write a viral YouTube Actually, let's do this. I'm going to write 10 viral YouTube titles for a video about 10 essential tools to maximize productivity. So I'm going to give it a little bit more prompt. For me, I like to... Let's just see what that generates for us, right? 10 viral YouTube video titles. So just like that, it is going to generate me 10 titles. And then I'm just going to go ahead and insert those. So right there's my title ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight these and just drag them underneath of... I like to have everything nice and neat. Yes, I'm obsessive compulsive. So let's just look down through there and see which one kind of grabs my attention that we can kind of make and run with it. I kind of like this one. So they're all fairly good. Let's do this one. Maximize efficiency. Let's go ahead and bump that up to number 1. Let's just take that as our title. I'm going to go ahead and choose that for now. And again, you can regenerate this. You can do whatever you want, but I usually kind of take a first swipe, edit anything that I need to. So that is my title idea. So now I'm going to come down here to the description. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that out of there, go to AI, and then I'm going to have it write a viral YouTube description for a video titled Maximize Your Efficiency, the 2024 Toolkit Every Pro Needs. And I like to write in a punchy, humorous tone. And let's see what it spits out for me. You start to see a theme here if you've seen any of my YouTube videos recently. So that right there, it's generating me a nice description. Excellent. Boom. Right there like that. So again, I'm going to go ahead and grab this and do a little bit of cleanup on the formatting. Then I'm just going to take this guy and drag it right under that toggle for the description. So there's my description. So now I'm going to come down here to social media posts. So usually what I'll do, this is all the things that I do before I even hit record on a video. So I now have my title, I've got my description. Now I want social media posts. So all I'm going to do is hit /AI and hit continue writing. And it's going to pick up, hopefully, where I left off. So there's some social media teasers for Twitter, for Facebook, for Instagram, LinkedIn. Look at that. Tells me how to engage my community if I wanted to. Some behind the scenes content. And just like that, boom, I've got my social media. So let's go ahead and do the exact same thing. We're going to go ahead and actually let's go down here to the bottom and get everything. It'll even generate some hashtags for me. So let's go ahead and grab all of this content and drag that into the toggle for social media posts. So bam, I now have a title, I now have a description, I now have social media posts for all the platforms. And this is the other thing that's neat. I can't wait. If ClickUp comes out with text to image generation, that is the next elevation of ClickUp Brain. So again, I'm going to go ahead and hit AI and I'm going to have it continue writing, and it's going to give me some ideas of thumbnails that I can create based upon everything that I've written. So there you go. Calls to action. It's everything So I'm going to insert that, and then I might, pop out, take some of those ideas, take the calls to action, all that good fun stuff, and use my favorite editing tool right now, which is Canva. Any other Canva users, let me know in the comments. So then I'm just going to take that information, scroll up, and again, do the exact same thing for the cleanup. Get rid of that. And just drag all of this into my YouTube thumbnail ideas. So there's my toggle, and if I have a sponsor, that's where I'm going to put any sponsor information. So just like that, I have a title, a description, social media post, thumbnail, ideas, all in, I don't know, about the time it is to maybe make the batter for a chocolate cake. I don't know. So let's come down here for the actual script. So let me do this and hit continue writing in this and see what it generates for me. So this is a step that I've added recently. So it's going to sponsorship information. It thinks that's where I'm at. So all right, so let's just go here. Try that one more time. So this is what we're doing live. I hate editing. So if you're watching this, I did not edit this video. It is all in real time. Let's do continue writing. See if it'll give me a, see, it's still trying to do sponsorship. See, I'm playing with this part of the template. So let's do this. So I'm going to go to AI. And let's go ahead and write with AI. Let's click that back up in there. Save us some time. Viral YouTube script for a video titled. So let's see if it'll generate me a script. So I got intro animation, tool number 1, the time twisting scheduler. So that's what I'm talking about right there. It's generating a script automatically for me. And if you're lazy like me and you like to make this technology work a little bit harder for you, this is just a foregleam of the things that are coming for me with using ClickUp Brain. So I'm going to be building more scripts around this. So now I'm kind of ready to go. I would go through this and obviously edit this script, make it how I would want to make it using the templates that I have, which are down here. My script template for podcast segments and tutorial talking head videos like this. I've got my intro. I've got templates for calls to action, useful copy links, as you can see here. I usually do my videos in sections, which is what I'm looking at right here. So all of that is made inside of a template inside of ClickUp. So ClickUp Brain for me has been a total game changer this last update. Super, super sweet. Can't wait for some more updates. So if you're interested in maybe grabbing this template for yourself, my ClickUp Masterclass, the link is should be the first one in the description. This YouTube template that I have that I've just showed you here is available for you inside the ClickUp Masterclass, and you're welcome to check that out. So stay tuned for more videos on using ClickUp Brain to create content. But as I promised in my last video, I promised you that I would do a video specifically around how I do YouTube videos. And again, that's the basis of my content creation. Starts with YouTube, then goes to blog, then goes to social media, then goes to newsletter coming soon. So if you want to jump on the newsletter list, head over to orangenomad.com. Until next time, friends, let's get clicky with it, and I'll see you in the next video.